In a quiet village, a tiny dragon named Pip had a big problem. He sneezed fire. Achoo! Toasted apples. Achoo! Crispy socks. Pip felt sad until one day, the villagers held a marshmallow roast. Pip, sneeze on these, they said. He gave a little sniff and, ACHO, perfect golden marshmallows for everyone. From then on, Pip wasn't just the sneezing dragon, he was the village hero.